Imagine thinking that you are investing money into your house, but what you are actually doing is wasting money. There are specific renovations that add no equity to your property, and we made a list of some of them. So, number one, putting in a sunroom in your house. This will not add equity. Garage cabinetry is a waste of money. There's some people that have like full garage wall of these cabinets, and they're very expensive, but some people buy a home, they don't even care that, oh, there's a garage, how many cars fit in the garage? Okay, that's all, So epoxy garage floor. Some people spend $15,000 thinking that will add value to your property is a mistake. It will not. Some people go for that, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you have the money, if you're thinking about you're gonna live in this home for a long time, you're gonna enjoy it, do it. But when you are thinking about selling your home and you're thinking, okay, what is my home worth? And you start making lists of things that you think is going to make your home worth more, epoxy floors in the garage is not going to do it. Other things are like rare and expensive plants. I mean, a lot of people like different kinds of plants. They go around searching for certain bushes and flowers, and it's nice to have. But also thinking that those things should increase equity in your home, they just don't. There's home improvement, and then there's something that we call over improving. Usually location and comparable homes in the area determine the value of your home. There's certain cap that your home cannot surpass. So once you start over improving it, you just have to realize that you'll get to a point where you're just putting money into a hole. Here are some of the things that we call over improvements. High-end chandeliers, crown molding and fancy trim, that's over improvement. Marble or other high-end stone. Expensive kitchen and bath remodels. I mean, remodeling kitchen and bathroom, it's a good thing. And it will add value to your property, and it is considered an improvement. But we've seen some people, like there's an example where this couple I know in Citrus Heights, and they were remodeling their kitchen and bathrooms, custom cabinets, expensive stone appliances, like high-end appliances. Their kitchen remodel, just kitchen alone, cost $85,000. And then they remodeled the bathrooms. Each bathroom cost them over $30,000. So are they gonna get that money back? No, they haven't sold that house because they don't even wanna try selling this house, because they already know that those things that they have done to their house, those are over improvements. And yeah, the wife is happy. She has a cool kitchen. She likes her kitchen. The bathrooms are nicely remodeled. But just for that area, those improvements are a little too much. Basically, what you want to keep in mind that your home, when you are ready to sell it, it's not going to be appraised based on your improvements, how much money you put into the remodel. So the way your home will be appraised is based on similar homes in the area and the location. If you are thinking about doing some modifications to your home, some improvements, and you have a long list and you're just not sure what to do, what not to do, this is something that we help our clients with. So give us a call, reach out to us, and we will help you and guide you to make the right decision.